From mashed potatoes, scalloped cheesy potatoes and the fast food fried variety, potatoes are everywhere. They're by far one of the most popular vegetables in America. But are potatoes good for your health? There seems to be a lot of misconceptions on the health benefits of potatoes.
UC Davis Health dietetic intern Adrian Posner breaks down the nutrition facts on potatoes and why you may want to serve them at your next meal.
Potatoes vegetables? Yes. Potatoes are stem tubers and are considered a starchy vegetable. As the name implies, these vegetables contain more starch as compared to others.
This isn't bad. It means that the vegetable delivers more calories and typically less fiber. Starch is a type of carbohydrate that our body breaks into glucose to use as energy.
Therefore, starchy foods could be a good food source if you want to add calories or add a food choice to round out a meal. Types of potatoes. There are many different varieties of potatoes. Some of the common types at most grocery stores include: Number 1. Fingerling potatoes. They are small, stubby, finger-shaped potatoes. Number 2. Russet potatoes. They are large potatoes with dark brown skin and white flesh. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. They are large potatoes with bright orange flesh and sweet taste. Number 4. White and red potatoes. Many sizes and shapes with either white or red colored skin. Number 5. Purple potatoes. Oval-shaped potatoes with a purplish-black skin and purple flesh. Here are 5 health and nutrition benefits of potatoes. 1. May improve blood sugar control. Potatoes contain a special type of starch known as resistant starch. This starch is not broken down and fully absorbed by the body. Instead, it reaches the large intestine where it becomes a source of nutrients for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. 2. May improve digestive health. The resistant starch in potatoes may also improve digestive health.
When resistant starch reaches the large intestine, it becomes food for beneficial gut bacteria. These bacteria digest it and turn it into short-chain fatty acids,
the preferred food source for gut bacteria. 3. Naturally gluten-free. The gluten-free diet is one of the most popular diets worldwide. It involves eliminating gluten, which is a family of proteins, found in grains like spelt, wheat, barley and rye. 4. Incredibly filling. Aside from being nutritious, potatoes are also incredibly filling.
In one study, 11 people were fed 38 common foods and asked to rate foods.
Based on how filling they were, potatoes received the highest fullness rating of them all. 5. Extremely versatile. Not only are potatoes healthy, but they are also delicious and versatile. Potatoes can be prepared in many ways, including boiled, baked, and steamed.
However, frying potatoes may dramatically increase their calorie content if you use a lot of oil.
Now if you like the video, give the thumbs up. And if it is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe my channel.